So what are the successful steps for water damage? Step number one, give us a call. Okay, step number two, we come to your property. We answer all the questions you have, and also we address the problem right away, because time is essential in this case. And step number three, we create a plan to address the situation. Step four, once we address the problem, once we find out what we need to do, so we install all the equipment necessary to start the dryer right away. That could be air movers, dehumidifiers, or filters. We contain what needs to be contained, we demo what needs to be demoed, so we can address the problem and get you dry right away. Step number five, we come to your property and we do a daily monitor of everything. Make sure that everything is drying, and anything needs to be adjusted, it needs to be adjusted right away just to make sure we dry quickly and efficiently. And the final steps, we're dry. We got dry readings, and now we're ready for reconstruction. Thanks for watching. My name is Daniel, and we're located in the city of San Jose, California, and we service the entire Bay Area. Give us a call. We'll be happy to help you.